patching the exhaust.
All right, so here is the hole that we have to patch.
I'm crawling under.
All right, so to patch the exhaust, we're going to be using this JB Weld fiber weld, and we're going to get that ready right now, and then we will patch that hole in the exhaust and see what happens. All right, so I soaked the fiberglass cloth and applied it to the damaged part of the muffler. Connor's going to come down here and join in on all the fun. It tells you to wrap this bandage around it for a little bit, and then take it off after a little bit.
Yeah.
It helps set the resin, I guess.
Yeah.
Farts, my freaking neck hurts. Where'd that rock go?
You're down here, guys.
I had a rock under here as a pillow and it's gone.
My neck is hurting. I'm under here. Yep.
Okay, Sammy.
My brother over here might too close to the camera. Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, watch out for me so I can get out from underneath here. Oh, wait, there's my rock. I found it. All right, so you're recording now?
Yep.
Okay. So we got to apply the bandage and wait. Says strapping apply included bandage strapping around the secure in place. Remove bandage after 3 to 5 minutes. Wait at least 15 minutes for product to cure before applying pressure or heat to the repaired areas. All right, so we're gonna wait about 3 to 5 minutes for this. We're gonna pull it off, wait another 15-20 minutes, and then once we get there, we'll take the truck, we'll start her up, apply the heat to cure the rest of the way, and we should be good to go, hopefully.
Let's see if this works. Yeah. If the truck works properly. The truck was really wobbling. The truck is wobbling. Yeah. The truck is moving.
I know.
The inside of the truck is literally moving. How can that happen? This truck is crazy. This truck is crazy. Pretty good. Here it is.
Well, the hole's plugged. Good to go.
Yeah! We're good to go.
All right.
We fixed the truck.
Yep.
That part of the truck.
And